Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can import journal entries in QuickBooks Desktop. So let's get started. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, head over to your settings by clicking the gear icon. From the menu, select Import Data. This will open a dedicated window for importing records. Since we're focusing on journal entries, choose Journal Entries from the available options. This tells QuickBooks that you want to upload financial transactions that aren't directly tied to invoices or payments. Next, click Import to start the process. QuickBooks will prompt you to upload your CSV file containing the journal entries. Browse your computer, locate the file, and upload it. Now comes the critical step: mapping your data. QuickBooks needs to know how the information in your CSV matches its fields. Take your time to carefully match each column header from your file with the corresponding field in QuickBooks. This step ensures everything ends up in the right place and avoids errors later on. Once you've mapped the fields, review the information one last time. If everything looks correct, click Import. QuickBooks will then bring in your journal entries and integrate them into your records. And that's it. You've successfully imported journal entries into QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.